Jared Polin, FroPack1, and I'm proud to announce FroPack1, which includes 14 custom Lightroom presets that are designed to help you edit your images quickly with unique looks. Now, let's take a look at them in action. Introducing Black and White Boomify, Waffle House, Acid Wash, Sandlot, Kensington, Aquamarine, Color Boomify, Cookies and Cream, Faded Glory, Ovaltine, Skittles, Silvertide, Universal Soldier, and Wonder Years. Head on over to froknowsphoto.com/presets to check out the before and after images, and if you like them, go ahead and pick them up right now while they're on sale. Thank you very much for your support. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.